Hello, it's Hello Noodle back at it again with another video every 7 months. You may be wondering why I haven't been posting, and if you're not wondering then too bad you are now. I haven't been posting any videos because my lazy ass doesn't even want to touch CuteCut, which is the editing program I use to make edits, and I also forgot I had a YouTube channel. How responsible of me, huh? Anyways, to make it up I might as well make a huge compilation of joke edits I did in my free time about BTS, because that's the only thing I edit nowadays. So if you don't like BTS then I guess click off this video until my next video. I'm going to shut up now, enjoy the video. Hello and welcome to the BTS Q&A, where your host Gamer Girl 3000 will ask the questions. Let's get started, shall we? Question number 1. Can Jimin hit or miss?
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he does he kiss ya. He gon' find another girl and he won't miss ya. He gon' skirt then hit the dab like Wiz Khalifa.
No, he can't. Question number 2. Namjoon, are you the creator of the world record egg on Instagram? Where did you find that information? Question number 3. Is Taehyung daddy? Is that even a question? Question number 4. Is Jimin submissive? For the millionth time, I'm not. Yes, he is. Welcome back to Cooking with Jin. For this episode we will cook up some delicious kimchi fried. Did someone say kimchi fried rice? Shut the fuck up, Hosiak, you're an accident. Welcome back to Cooking with Jin. For this episode we will cook up some delicious kimchi fried and Sprite. That's it, go to your room, you aren't having Sprite for dinner. I know this was a really short video and I promise I'll upload more often. If I don't keep my promise then you can slap me in my face. I'll try to upload every Sunday, Wednesday and Friday. Now goodbye, let the outro play.
My heart's in the sky, supernova. I met you in California.